I was surprised to learn that I didn't have a windshield wiper video for my 2013 Mazda 3, so I'll correct that now. Not every video needs to be an epic struggle. For this vehicle, I'm using a 24-inch and a 19-inch wiper blade, and these have a hook type connection, and it just pulls right out. So most of the wiper blades have a little trap door kind of lock, and then it should just be a rounded piece that hook slots on top of, and then you just push it forward to lock it in place with the hook and then close that trap door. So open the trap door, put the hook in place. It's going to go around sort of a rounded piece of plastic. Push the windshield wiper blade forward so that it locks around that piece of metal, and then close the trap door. Super fast, super easy. You could do this in a parking lot. I think I did this in about 3 minutes. The other side is the same deal. Lift up the little lock, push the wiper blade back towards the base of the wiper, and then installation on the new one is the opposite. So line up the wiper blade with the hook, pull the wiper blade forward so the hook locks in place, and then close that little trap door. Now you got a whole bunch of extra plastic left over because they ship these things with different wiper blade configurations, but this is the one for the 2013 Mazda 3, and then I'll go in and test these windshield wipers. And there's nothing quite as nice as having fresh wiper blades. Always makes the windshield look much better when you're using them. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.